Restaurants have been hit hard by fees from delivery apps.
They take a huge chunk of our bottom line. All of that comes out of our pocket and goes to them.
So Domino's franchisees went to local restaurants and bought $100,000 of their gift cards to give out to our customers. That way they could support a mom and pop by ordering directly from them.
And no one got hit by delivery app fees.
I can't believe one restaurant is buying another restaurant's gift certificates to give out, but it sure is wonderful.
So if you're not getting Domino's, skip the delivery apps and order directly from a local restaurant.
You won't see her name in lights. You won't see her at mall photo ops. You might find her in the background of storybooks, but you'll never see the hard, noisy, or greasy work. So why does she do it? Because no one else can. Here's to those making the magic. Forge your merry way with Duluth.
Dad, we got this.
We got this.
How much you got, Dad?
We got this.
We got this.
We got this. We got this. We got this.
Life is for living.
We got this.
Let's partner for all of it. Edward Jones.
Saturday, December 4th at AT&T Stadium in Arlington, Texas. Welcome back to the excitement. Welcome back to the anticipation. Welcome back to the Big 12 Championship game. Here, the best two teams go head-to-head to crown a champion. Tickets on sale now at SeatGeek.com.
At Charmin, we make paper, and we love trees. That's why we protect forests by using pulp certified by the Forest Stewardship Council. It's why we regrow at least 2 trees for every tree we use. And it's why, when forests are devastated by natural disasters, Charmin helps restore trees through the Arbor Day Foundation. So you can enjoy the go, but forests remain forests. Charmin.
Reevaluating your priorities? Come out ahead with a degree from the University of Cincinnati online. You'll get the same professors, curriculum, and degree on your schedule. Evolve your career. Evolve your life. UC Online.